You won't die, right?
Huh? Well, of course I will. Everybody does eventually, don't they?
That's not what I'm trying to say.
If it's about my pancreas, then yeah, I'm gonna die. But I'm pretty sure you knew that.
No, what I mean is... Despite the way I look or act when we hang out, I'm worried about you.
Does that mean you want me to live?
Yes, I do.
When I'm going to die, I'll be sure to let you know.